For the longest time, man has peered into the stars, wondering if there were others like us in this universe. Finally, the search is over after a breakthrough occurred in this adventure. NASA, the world's leading space and aeronautical agency, has recently shared that a massive object in space has started sending radio messages to Earth. This possibility forces us to consider that maybe we aren't alone after all, which is a terrifying but exciting realization. What does this radio signal imply? What could be the source? Join us in this video as we explore how NASA warns that an object in space has started sending Earth radio messages. An unknown source has been sending radio blasts towards Earth since at least 1988, scientists say. The researchers do not know what object is sending the radio waves towards Earth. The nature of the waves is such that they do not conform with any models that attempt to explain it. For 35 years, the source has been sending out regular 20-minute blasts of energy that vary considerably in their brightness. The emissions appear something like the blasts that come out of pulsars or fast radio bursts, which last for milliseconds to several seconds. But the newly discovered source sends radio signals that pulsate on a period of 21 minutes, something previously thought impossible by expected explanations. So now that all normal and explainable solutions have been ruled out, what is the source of this emission? NASA space experts have worked day and night to study the space object and crack the radio message, deciphering its meaning. The rest of the world waits with bated breath to see the message cracked. Many wonder if this is a message from an intelligent life form, which is probably millions of light years away from us. There is a possibility that it might not be an extraterrestrial civilization, but something completely different. The universe is an enigma, and celestial bodies can send out magnetic or radio waves. It is possible that the Earth only picked up some of these waves that do not really mean so much. However, the strength of these latest signals has NASA alert, and it seems we are on to bigger discoveries as a result. The Breakthrough Listen project, launched in 2015, represented humanity's most ambitious endeavor to search for intelligent extraterrestrial life in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Spearheaded by billionaire entrepreneur Yuri Milner, the project was armed with state-of-the-art radio telescopes, designed to listen for any faint signals that might indicate the presence of advanced civilizations. Voyager, the iconic spacecraft launched by NASA in 1977 to explore the outer reaches of the solar system, had been faithfully transmitting data back to Earth for decades. Though it was initially designed to study the outer planets, its journey had taken it beyond the heliosphere into interstellar space. Now, as it drifted further into the cosmic void, it was repurposed as part of the Breakthrough Listen project. Its ongoing journey presented an unparalleled opportunity to survey the interstellar medium and search for potential signs of intelligent life. After years of analyzing data and filtering through various signals from distant stars, scientists stumbled upon an anomaly, a faint but distinct radio signal, originating from Proxima Centauri, the nearest known star system to our solar system. The signal was dubbed Breakthrough Listen Candidate 1, BLC-1, and marked a groundbreaking discovery in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The detection of the mysterious signal from Proxima Centauri sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Researchers, astrophysicists, and astronomers alike embarked on a comprehensive analysis of BLC-1, hoping to unravel its enigmatic nature. At first glance, BLC-1 appeared unlike any radio signal observed before. Its highly polarized electric field indicated a potential artificial origin, ruling out many natural sources. Moreover, the techno-signature embedded in the signal seemed to defy any conventional explanation. The complexity of the signal was astounding, as if it were intentionally designed to pique the curiosity of any sentient species that might come across it. One particularly puzzling aspect of the signal was its periodicity. The variations in intensity seemed to follow a discernible pattern, suggesting that it originated from an object with a highly eccentric orbit. This revelation raised numerous questions. Could this be evidence of a massive artificial structure in orbit around Proxima Centauri, or was it merely an artifact of the interstellar medium affecting the signal? The discovery of BLC-1 catapulted the Breakthrough Listen project into the forefront of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. SETI. This groundbreaking discovery presented an unprecedented opportunity to study potential technological civilizations beyond Earth. Scientists, equipped with the world's most powerful radio telescopes, focused their attention on Proxima Centauri and its surrounding planetary system. The quest to decipher the message contained within BLC-1 became an international endeavor. Collaborations between scientists and institutions from various countries intensified, as the world united in a shared pursuit of understanding this cosmic enigma. Data from observatories across the globe were gathered, combined, and analyzed in hopes of unlocking the secrets of the mysterious signal. Every aspect of the signal was scrutinized with meticulous detail. Researchers worked tirelessly to rule out any terrestrial interference or instrumental artifacts that might have contaminated the data. The scientific community knew that they had to tread carefully, as the implications of confirming the existence of extraterrestrial intelligence were profound and could shape the course of humanity's future. The discovery of a potential extraterrestrial signal posed an ethical conundrum for humanity. Should we respond to the signal? And if so, how? While the prevailing curiosity leaned toward sending a response, cautionary voices reminded the world of the unknown risks involved. SETI researchers, along with ethicists and policymakers, convened in an unprecedented global summit to deliberate on the matter. The meeting served as a forum to discuss the implications of responding to an extraterrestrial message, weighing the potential benefits of interstellar communication against the risks of unknowingly inviting a technologically superior or even malevolent civilization to Earth. A consensus emerged that any response should be carefully considered, respectful, and composed with a universal language, mathematics, and physics. The message should be symbolic, demonstrating our peaceful intentions and the willingness to engage in an exchange of knowledge. Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star, held particular significance in the search for extraterrestrial life. Orbiting this star was Proxima b, a rocky exoplanet situated within its habitable zone, the region where conditions might be suitable for liquid water to exist on its surface. The possibility of liquid water raised the tantalizing prospect of life as we know it. As scientists focused their attention on Proxima b, they used the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, the successor to Hubble, to study the exoplanet in unprecedented detail. Spectroscopic analyses of Proxima b's atmosphere hinted at the presence of key molecules like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane, all essential ingredients for life as we understand it. The enigma of BLC-1 necessitated a multidisciplinary approach. Astrophysicists, cosmologists, linguists, mathematicians, and code-breaking specialists united their expertise to decode the mysterious radio signal. Using advanced techniques in signal processing, the researchers worked tirelessly to remove noise and interference from the raw data. They hoped that by identifying patterns and anomalies, they could gain insights into the origin and purpose of the signal. The collaboration among scientists from different fields fostered innovative perspectives, leading to breakthroughs in understanding the enigmatic message. Throughout the journey, the scientific community remained committed to transparency. Regular updates on progress were provided to the public, and amateur astronomers were encouraged to participate in the analysis by accessing the open access data repository. This spirit of inclusivity and collaboration sparked a renewed interest in astronomy, inspiring the next generation of scientists and space enthusiasts. Speculations surrounding this strange radio signal are already fraught with questions about the real purpose of the signal. Some factions in the science community think that if these messages are truly from an alien civilization from outer space, the message might be one of peace from some more advanced neighbors. Another faction believes it might be a warning. Maybe the civilization has gotten some information about an impending catastrophe heading toward Earth and has sent a message to warn us. Another school of thought speculates that the signal could contain a blueprint for some advanced technology our neighbors have decided to share with us, which could revolutionize the world. However, where the signal came from is of more interest. The Proxima Centauri system carries a lot of secrets in its bosom. These secrets are so vast and deep that scientists have only begun to scratch the surface. Proxima Centauri has a rocky planet in its Goldilocks zone. This planet is known as Proxima b. Proxima b has all it takes to support life. So the fact that this advanced radio signal is coming from such a close star system that has a habitable planet has further strengthened the belief that we might be on the verge of discovering extraterrestrial life. The last faction in the science community fears the radio messages might be a trap set by a hostile extraterrestrial civilization interested in invading Earth. It's just like we've seen in almost every movie on aliens, except maybe E.T. Aliens always want to take over the Earth. This faction also believes that the radio message might contain a virus or some other harmful technology, which would most likely be used against us. Scientist Andrew Siemian and his team from the University of California spent several months studying the signal. The scientists found that the waves had some distinct properties. These strange properties made the signal very different from anything they had ever seen before. They found that the radio messages had a very low signal-to-noise ratio, which made them harder to detect. The signal also had an extremely narrow radio spectrum band. Waves or signals with such narrow spectrum bands cannot be traced to transmission from human-made satellites and spacecraft. This very reason made the detection of these messages a truly intriguing phenomenon, because for all purposes and intent, no way would it have been detected by our satellites or any current human technology. According to Siemian and his team, these unique properties of the signal provide strong evidence against any naturally occurring radio signal from space. The properties are so distinct that the radio message's probability originating from an Earth-like technology is practically impossible. The researchers found that the signals were transmitting at 982 megahertz in a 0.43 hertz-wide spectral window. Currently, there is no known technology on Earth or any natural phenomenon that can produce signals with these characteristics. The low signal-to-noise ratio and the narrow spectral window suggest that the signal's source technology must be incredibly advanced. As we anxiously wait for more information from NASA, we must not forget to take into consideration the immense possibilities before us. If these messages are truly from an extraterrestrial civilization, we have so much to learn from them. For one, our understanding of science and the universe would be revolutionized. Our technology would most likely advance at unprecedented levels. Our lives would never be the same again. However, if the message is a warning, we must be ready to face whatever catastrophe awaits us. The discovery of this mysterious radio signal has once again ignited the debate over the existence of extraterrestrial life and the potential implications of contacting such civilizations. While scientists continue their investigations and analysis, the world watches and hopes for a definitive answer.